was 19, I had a summer job working in a sawmill, and I was knocked into a circle saw, and I lost my hand just about midway through the palm. Well, I was wearing it up to 8 hours a day. It's very difficult to fit me in a normal prosthesis without it being long and bulky. Where this one, it's just encasing my hand, but it's just giving me the fingers that I'm missing.
The nature of your residual limb, we're having to hold on fairly aggressively.
Having fingers after 26 years, it's like starting over again. As I become more and more familiar with the hand, I'm using it and doing things the way I used to, 26 years ago. I'm becoming two-handed again. When I'm carrying things going through a door, and I can actually switch hands, or I've got a hand free, and I've got I have my phone or papers in my left hand, which I never could do before. I had to hold it in my hand and turn the knob.
Here you go. Wow, 3, I like it.
They behave just like real fingers. They bend like real fingers do. I can move them in so many different ways. The thumb is the only one that I need to reposition. This is the only prosthetic provider that I've ever worked with that actually had a therapist that would teach me how to use the tool that they've given me, how to make it function to do the things I want it to do. It helps me day to day in the kitchen, opening jars, doing house projects. I can now hold a nail when I hammer it, hold a screw, hold something in place while I cut it. These seem like small things to the average person, but to somebody before Island Digits, it was a big deal for me.